IELTS reading testini British Council ITP xullas internetda qanaqadir topdim, qaysidir anaqa bilmayman. Birga ishlab ko'ramiz. Anaqa information bir balo. Xullas true false not given truedagi savollarni birga ishlab ko'rishga harakat qilamiz. Hali ishlab ko'rmadim. Xato chiqishi mumkin, bal past chiqishi mumkin, shunga tayyor turamiz. IELTS CD ya'ni computer delivered. Kompyuterdagi IELTS reading test shunaqa ko'rinishda bo'larkan. Start test. Okay. The life and work of Marie Curie. Title ya'ni sarlavhani o'qib to'g'ri savolga. Marie Curie's husband was a joint winner of both Marie's Nobel Prizes. Bizda kal so'zlar Marie Nobel Prize degan so'z topishimiz kerak ekan. Keyin joint winner. Ya'ni husband a joint winner. 3 ta kal so'zimizni qidiramiz. To'g'ri passage'ini. Marie Curie is probably the most famous woman scientist who has ever lived. Hop. Born Maria Sklodowska in Poland in 1867. She is famous for her work on radioactivity and was twice a winner of Nobel Prize. Mashina olib tursa, balkim bo'lar. More actions can we highlight? Yes. With her husband ham topdik. Bitta narsani aytaman hozir, qarang. Savolda aytgan joint winner, ya'ni birgalikda sazovor bo'lgan mukofotiga va hokazo demoqchi. Tekst aytayapti. Was twice a winner of Nobel Prize with her husband Marie Curie and Henry Becquerel. One husband Marie Curie ekan. Even tashqari Henry Becquerel, she was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics and was the sole winner of 1911 Nobel Prize for Chemistry. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Hop. Endi to'g'ri, noto'g'ri yoki berilmagan ma'lumot yo'q haqida javob tanlaymiz. Marie Curie's husband was a joint winner of both. Ya'ni Marie'ni o'zi 2 marta Nobel olgan, ikkalasida ham eri bilan olgan degan gapni aytayapti. Va tekstda esa Nobel Prize and was twice a winner of Nobel Prize with her husband Nobel Prize for Physics and sole winner. Yo'q, bir marta eri yana bitta qanaqadir anaqa olgan ekan, 3 kishi bo'lib olishgan ekan. Shundan ikkitasi Marie bilan uni eri, undan tashqari yana bitta olim bor ekan. Ko'rinmayapti. O'zi bilan eri, keyin bitta yana olim. Bir marta. Lekin 1911-yilda o'zi olgan ekan. Shunda false deb turamiz. Endi bilmayman, ko'ramiz hali. Ikkinchisi, Marie became interested in science when she was a child. Marie interested in science, she was a child. Child degan, ya'ni childhood, yoshligi haqida birinchi kal so'z. Ikkinchisi interested in science kal so'zimiz. From childhood, uja bizada kal so'z, uni highlight qilib qo'yaylik. Hop, Marie was remarkable for her prodigious memory. Hop, zo'r xotirasi bo'lgan ekan. And at the age of 16 won a gold medal on compilation for her secondary education. 16 yoshda o'rta maktabni oltin medalga tugatgan ekan. Because her father lost his savings through a bad investment. Otasi pulini yo'qotgan ekan, investitsiya qilib. She then had to take work as a teacher. Hop, o'qituvchi ishlashga majbur bo'lgan ekan u Marie, qiz bola. From her earnings she was able to finance her sister's Bronia's medical studies in Paris. On the understanding of Brownie would in turn later help her to get an education in France. Ya bu boshqa narsa haqida. Not given. Chunki bolaligi bor, lekin ilm fanga qiziqish boshlagan degan gap yo'q. Not given. Hop, qarang, belgilaganlarimiz pastda tagida chiziq paydo bo'lyapti. Keyingi savolga o'tyapti. IELTS testda ham xuddi shunaqa bo'larkan. Marie was able to attend the Sorbonne because her sister's financial contribution. Hop, bizda Sorbonne universitetmi qanaqadir kollej nimadir bo'lishi kerak Yevropadagi. o'shanga borishiga singlisi pul bergan ekan. Shu haqida gap kelyapti bizga Sarbon birinchi anaqa kalso'z, mana Sarbon. Shuchtagina savol ekan. Financial contribution degan so'z topishimiz kerak. Of more let on a little more than bread and butter and tea she came first. Sister, ya'ni uni tepada esingizda bo'lsa, u ishlab puliga singlisini o'qitdi. Gapda aytayapti, o'sha o'qitgan singlisi endi Mariyaga Sarbonda o'qishiga pul bergan degan joy bizga kerak. This promise was fulfilled to get an education. Qarang, ikkinchi paragraf oxirida gap bor ekan. In turn, ya'ni o'rniga later help her to get an education. Ya'ni singlisi, Mariyaning singlisi keyinroq unga o'qishiga yordam bergan debdi. In 1891 the promise was fulfilled. Singlisi o'sha va'dasini bajardi and Mary went to Paris. Bu to'g'ri. Ya'ni va'da bergan. Mariya maktabda dars berib yurgan paytda puliga singlisini o'qitgan. Singlisi va'da bergan, keyinroq masalan o'sha institutda o'qishingga pul beraman deb, keyin 1891-yilda o'sha va'dasini ustidan chiqqan deyapti. Qolgan informatsiya bizga kerak emas, chunki boshqa savol yo'q bizda. Va testni tugataylik. Kamera to'sib qo'yapti. Height 24 minut. Nimaga? Oppa. Hop, qanaqa tugatamiz endi? Anaqa, xullas, anaqada aytiladi. Mana oppa. Show control panel, kamerani bekitib turaylik. Haqiqiy testda aytadi, vaqt tugashi bilan test o'zi avtomatik yakunlanadi deydi, lekin bizda hali vaqt ancha vaqtimiz 23 daqiqamiz bor. Biz qanaqa tugatamiz? Help bosib ko'raylikchi. Task help. Nima bor bu yerda? Hop. Tushunarli, lekin test helpga bosib ko'raylikchi. Highlight note ko'rdik, note yozishni bilamiz. Scrolling. Xullas, yepbaydi. Buni tekshirib bo'lmaydi. Vaqt xayr.